Tape machine ng PITBQ branch at nakapag-run po ito ng 46 meters last week. Next naman po is how to clean the machine. Edit eh. Bago po tayo mag-nozzle check, punasan po natin yung wiper. Next naman po is to check the nozzle check ng machine. At ito po yung nozzle check ng machine. Yan po. Ito naman po ang ating print head area. Capping. Ito naman po ating waste tank. Ang last disposal po yan is last week. Ito naman po ating ground wire. Ito naman po ating ink tank, ink system. Ito naman po ating EBR. Ito naman po ating ink supplies. Ito naman po ating daily checklist ng machine. Updated po siya. Ito naman po ang ating na-consume na white, 2. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat.